Your camera isn't the reason your video quality sucks. It's your lighting. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I'm Dubinator, this is Streamwell. Let's get into it. Today, we're gonna dive into one of the fundamentals of video production, 3-point lighting. Whether you're just starting out with OBS or you're a seasoned vet, these techniques will help you look like a professional without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up 3-point lighting and help avoid pitfalls. By the end of it, you'll be able to set up your streams or videos like a pro. First off, you might be asking yourself, what is 3-point lighting? It's a classic setup in film, photography, and streaming to help illuminate your subject. That's you. It helps you in a way that's flattering and adds depth. Instead of harsh shadows that make you look tired or flat lighting that makes you look like a zombie, it creates a 3-dimensional visual effect for your viewers that highlights your best features. The 3 points are super straightforward: the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. It's not complicated, but when you nail it, your video quality jumps up a notch. And the best part, you don't need expensive equipment. You can use affordable lamps or LEDs. Let's start with the key light. This is your main light source, the star of the show, that does most of the heavy lifting. Position it at about 45-degree angle to one side of your face, slightly above eye level, and point it downward towards you. Imagine it like sunlight coming in from a window. It lights up the front of your face while creating some natural contrast with soft shadows on the other side. If you're on a budget, there's a plethora of lights you can use. You can use ring lights, clamp lights, or even just a desk lamp with a soft bulb. You don't want anything too harsh. Pro tip: if it is too harsh and creates hot spots on your face, you can use a sheet or a diffuser to help diffuse the light. It gives a smoother glow across the skin. Test out distances. Don't put it too far away or you might lose the punch of the glow, and don't put it too close or it might be blinding to you. Make sure to test this out on camera and review the footage to make sure there's no hot spots that you're not seeing. Now, once you got your key light dialed in, it's time for your fill light. This one's all about balance. It's there to soften the shadows on the other side of the key light. But be careful not to eliminate the shadows. You want some contrast. Place the fill light on the opposite side of the key light. Also at around 45-degree angle, but make it less intense. That could mean turning down the brightness to about half, or using a weaker bulb, or just positioning it farther away. Again, a simple lamp or LED panel will do the job just fine. There's no need to get pro gear. The goal is to fill in the shadows just enough so your features look even and inviting. If you're in a small room, watch for reflection off the walls. They can add extra fill, which is a good thing. Quick check-in with OBS. Does your face still look balanced? Perfect. You want to make sure you still have light shadowing on one side of your face. Finally, let's talk about the backlight. This is what really elevates your stream from good to great. It separates you from the background and creates that subtle halo effect. Make sure you position it behind you and slightly off to the side, and make sure it's pointed at your shoulders and head. It creates a rim of light around your outline and helps you pop off the screen, giving that sense of depth. Be sure not to aim it directly at the camera or you'll get really annoying lens flares. If you're on a budget, remember, LED strips and floor lamps can get the job done. In streaming, having a backlight is extremely useful, especially if you have a busy background. It helps keep the focus on you. And hell, that's what streaming's all about. Adjust the intensity so it's just enough to outline you, but not blow out the highlights of your features. So how do you put all three of these together to get perfect lighting? The first thing we want is our key light. Make sure it's far enough away that you're not being blinded by it while you're gaming, but not too close that you have hot spots. It's okay that we have shadows. We'll take care of that with the fill light. Remember, when you're setting up your fill light, you don't want the intensity too bright. Turn it down a few notches so you still have a little shadow. You want that contrast for depth. Last up, we put up the fill light. Put it behind you at a 45-degree angle, turn that bad boy on, and set it so it's pointing at your shoulders and head. And there we go. We got 3-point lighting just like that. One thing I see a lot of streamers doing is overlighting. You don't want to overlight. It's okay to have contrast and dark spots. In fact, it's a good thing. The one big no-no you don't want to do when setting up your 3-point lighting is having different colored temperature bulbs. If you're gonna have soft light, use soft light. If you're gonna have warm light, use warm light. You can't go mixing them up. Otherwise, you're gonna get scenes that look like this. Ugly and inefficient. Stick to soft lighting or stick to warm lighting. Preferably soft. Who uses warm? If you found this video helpful at all, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. What camera do you use? I want to know. Let me know down in the comments so I can gauge our community and see where we sit. Do you own a Stream Deck? Make sure to watch this video right here so you get the most out of yours. Until next time.